Let's head back to our items and services for a moment. I want to go down and look at this item here, door frame. You can see it says we have 21 of these. Let's say we've just done our physical count and we only have 19 of those. That means we need to change this number somehow. We can do that by manually adjusting our inventory, and here's how we'll do that. Let's right click, and you'll notice when you do this that you do have an option that says adjust quantity or value on hand right here. The first thing you want to do here is make sure the adjustment type is for the quantity. It could be for the total value or for both. We'll just do the quantity in this case. And put in your adjustment date. You'll also need an adjustment account. There is one called Inventory Adjustments, and if you don't have that one, you can just go ahead and add it to your chart of accounts there. The next thing QuickBooks will do is automatically create a reference number. It will be the next one in the sequence. If this is related to a particular job or customer, you want to choose that from the list. If you just went in the back and you counted, then you don't need to put anything in that field. Make sure if you're using the class feature, you've chosen the correct class. What you're going to do now is click underneath where it says item, and you're going to choose the item that you want to change the quantity for. Notice when I put in door frame, it pulled in the description. It says I have 21, but I've just counted and I really have 19. Notice if I tab through, it tells me the difference is -2, and that's what we want to see. You can add as many of these as you want. At the very bottom left, you're going to see a place for a memo. It might be something like the date that you did your count, for example. You'll also see this section that says item info after your adjustment. You'll see that if you came back into this. Over on the left, you'll see the total value of the adjustment and the total number of items that you adjusted. I'm going to save and close. And let's go look at our door frames. If I go down the list here again, here's my door frame. And you can see now I have 19 of these. That's how you're going to manually adjust any inventory once you've done your count. That's going to wrap up section 6, where we've been talking about items and inventory. Let's head on now over into section 7. We have a lot to talk about there. That is the section where we're going to get into all things related to banking.